Here's a little trick I use to edit the sound on my film and, make different takes sound seamless. So, for example, in this scene, we have the woman over here talking her dialogue, and then in the next scene, it's the guy that's gonna start talking his dialogue. So, what I do here is the woman scene, as she's saying her dialogue, I will slowly fade it out as I'm fading in the audio from this guy's stick, so it sounds seamless. And to make this technique work even better, it would be adding background sound that will go for like all their takes. You know what I'm saying? So, for example, for this scene in particular, I have some thunder right here, and then I have some nature sound effects. So, as that's happening, when I'm making the switch, you won't necessarily hear too much of the switch because there's unifying sound in the background, and that's just one way to make your film sound a little bit better.